This is a short descriptive video on this Japanese Sankyo flip alarm clock, the L108Z or Z. This clock was refurbished by me. I got it from Japan, and being from Japan, in most electronic apparatuses, in this case clocks, have a switch to switch between 50 and 60 Hertz. So if you have a near power adapter for the voltage and you set it to 50 Hertz, you could actually plug it in and use it, and it would have the correct time displayed here in Europe. If you want to use it in the US, you set it to 60 Hertz plug. It's plug and play for a US outlet, and you can use it in the US. As far as my knowledge goes, this clock was never sold outside of Japan, making it a bit of a quirky one. And it's a nice looker, alright. The case is made out of plastic. This was cleaned and polished. I didn't polish the top too hard because I didn't want to polish off the lettering there. It's sort of kind of embossed into the top, so even if I would be able to polish it off, you would still see that it was there. The wiring was replaced. The light in there, the resistor, etc., was all replaced. Got a brand new cable, brand new plug. As I said, the case was cleaned and polished. The case on the inside was cleaned, and the motor was opened up, cleaned, lubricated. It's not the quietest clock in the world, so if you're a light sleeper, I wouldn't use this on your bedside table. Having said that, it's not very loud at all. I just felt I needed to say it. So yeah, I mean, not much else to say about this clock. It's fairly lightweight. It's got a nice, funky feel to it, although not being too brightly coloured. It would fit into a very modern interior as well, I suppose. I haven't done one of these before, so it was kind of fun to do it, although on the inside it wasn't very much different from your average flip clock. But Sankyo hasn't done many flip clocks. They mostly did drum roll clocks, which are a nightmare to work on, because when they break 9 out of 10 you can basically just throw them away. Yeah, I suppose that's it. It will be for sale in my shop, but just send me a message or send me a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.